sure you'll love this idea I'm making today. First, you'll need any piece of cardboard. Then find any bowl or basket that is big enough. Trace it to make a circle, then move it a bit and trace half a circle to make the crescent moon. Cut it and add glue to the edges, like this. I made another one in the same size to make it thicker. Glue both crescents together and add more glue to make sure they stick together. Wrap the moon with thin manila rope. Get a bamboo skewer and cut out 12 centimeters. Then, wrap it with the same manila rope you used for the moon. Make 4 more to make 5 in total to form a star. Glue 2 skewers together like this. Keep gluing the tips as you see in the video. And finally, glue these 2 together. If the star doesn't look the way you want, you can still adjust it like this. Then, glue the skewers together to maintain the shape of the star. Glue manila or macrame rope in the corner here. Wrap it like this 3 to 4 times. Then move the rope to another corner and wrap it 3 to 4 times. Keep going until you wrap all the inner corners until you make a small star. Get cardboard, 10 centimeters in width, and wrap the rope 10 times around it like this. Remove the rope and cut out the extra. Hold it so it doesn't fall apart, then tie the top like this. Cut the bottom part, hold it tight, and wrap a rope around the top like this. Tie the top rope multiple times to create some sort of braid. Cut these strands to make them straight, then detangle each strand. This step is optional. Now glue it to the star like this. I decorated the edges with some beads. These beads were white, but I painted them gold. This step is also optional. Glue a long piece of rope to the top of the star so we can hang it later. I made multiple stars in multiple sizes. The biggest star is 12 centimeters and removed 2 centimeters each time I wanted to make a smaller star. I placed the stars randomly and rearranged them until I got what I wanted. I then glued them on the moon. I used the rope to make a hanger. Flip the moon to continue decorating. I glued these foam stars that I previously made. Get a small piece of foam. Fold it in half. Draw half a lantern, like this. Then cut it. Cut a small strip from different color foam and decorate the lantern. I got some beads of different shapes and sizes. I sprayed some and kept some as they were. I distributed them randomly on the moon and added more stars, moons, and lanterns. Go to the comments and tell me what you think of this Ramadan decoration idea.